Hey everyone, welcome back to my workbench. Still fighting this CDX. Seems like no matter what adjustments I make, it doesn't really help. I'm beginning to suspect there is an issue with the laser or the stepper motor control. I'm not sure. Sometimes it gets further than this, sometimes it doesn't. There you go. Let's go with this. This is where it usually gets hung up, right here. I give up. I've tried and I've tried and I've tried. I can't get the track on music CDs anymore very well. It gets through about 50 seconds of track 1 and then it stops. It starts skipping. And then I go into, if I can get through that, I go to try to skip the next track and I can't get that. If I can get to the next track, then I can't get back to the first track. So something's wrong with the tracking on this CDX. So I don't know. I'm at wit's end. I don't know what else to do with it. I can't really do any more tweaking to the adjustment pots in here. I've tried. I mean, I've spent hours on this thing, so yeah. I mean, you look at the way I have it set up now. I've got it on a piece of phenolic plastic, so ABS plastic here, and then I have a piece of Tyvek in here, so I don't have any. I accidentally short against any of the contacts up on the board. I've resoldered and reseated the connectors that actually power up the stepper motors. I don't know. I ran out of things I can do. I mean, there's a reason these were problematic when new. So it's even worse than they're not so new. So unless we swap the laser out on it, it's the only thing I could think of. See if that helps. Because at this point, it's like I've been trying, and I thought the last one I worked on was hard. This one is takes the cake. That one I at least got close. I can get the track easily from a music CD, track all the way through a music CD, no problem. This one I can't even get to do that. So there's something wrong with the tracking laser on this one. So, well, that's it for my workbench tonight. Next up, I'm gonna put this aside for now, see if I can get a spare laser for it, and then I'm gonna be working on the the Tiger learning computer. So I'm making up a little intermediary board for this guy, and we'll do some oscilloscope work. And I got parts in for 2 more Atari 5200 controllers, but I've done plenty of videos on those. I don't think I'm going to show any more videos on that. It's just kind of reruns at some point. So thanks for watching, and yeah, it's got me beat. I got nothing, man. I've been trying. I think I've put at least 10 hours into this thing, and it's just too much. I can't get it to work. So thanks for watching, and next time I'll have a little board I've been soldering up and some oscilloscope work, and it's kind of going to be educational. So see you then.